Hey Econ Disruptors, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a highly controversial and provocative topic, genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. The debate over GMOs is fierce, with passionate arguments on both sides. Are GMOs the key to solving global food shortages and advancing agricultural practices, or do they pose significant risks to our health and the environment? Let's dive into the heart of this debate. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are plants, animals, or microorganisms whose genetic material has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. This modification is typically done to introduce new traits, such as resistance to pests, improved nutritional content, or increased crop yields. Supporters argue that GMOs can significantly increase crop yields, helping to feed a growing global population. By creating crops that are resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions, GMOs can boost agricultural productivity. Some GMOs are engineered to be pest-resistant, which can reduce the need for chemical pesticides. This not only lowers costs for farmers, but also reduces the environmental impact of pesticide use. GMOs can be designed to enhance the nutritional content of foods. For example, genetically modified rice has been developed to contain higher levels of vitamin A, addressing nutrient deficiencies in developing countries. By increasing crop efficiency and reducing the need for agricultural land, GMOs can help preserve natural habitats and biodiversity. Additionally, GMOs that require less water can contribute to more sustainable farming practices. GMOs can lower production costs and increase profits for farmers, contributing to economic growth in agricultural sectors. These benefits can be particularly significant in developing countries. Arguments against GMOs critics argue that GMOs may pose unknown health risks. There are concerns about potential allergens and long-term health effects that have not been adequately studied. GMOs can potentially disrupt ecosystems. For example, genes from genetically modified crops can spread to wild plants, creating superweeds that are resistant to herbicides. This can lead to increased herbicide use and environmental damage. The widespread adoption of GMOs can lead to a reduction in crop diversity, making agriculture more vulnerable to pests and diseases. Biodiversity is crucial for the resilience of ecosystems. There are ethical questions surrounding the manipulation of genetic material. Critics argue that altering the genetic makeup of living organisms crosses a moral line, and that the long-term consequences are unpredictable. The GMO industry is dominated by a few large corporations that control the market for genetically modified seeds. This concentration of power can disadvantage small farmers and reduce seed diversity. Golden rice is genetically modified to produce beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A. It was developed to address vitamin A deficiencies in developing countries. While it has faced regulatory hurdles, proponents see it as a crucial tool for combating malnutrition. Bt cotton is engineered to produce a toxin that repels pests. It has been widely adopted in countries like India and China, leading to reduced pesticide use and increased yields. However, concerns about pest resistance and environmental impact persist. Crops like soybeans, corn, and canola have been modified to resist specific herbicides, allowing farmers to control weeds more effectively. This has led to higher yields, but also to the emergence of herbicide-resistant weeds. The debate over GMOs is complex and multifaceted, with valid arguments on both sides. While GMOs offer significant potential benefits in terms of food security, environmental sustainability, and economic growth, they also raise important health, environmental, ethical, and social concerns. As technology advances and more research is conducted, it's crucial to stay informed and engage in thoughtful discussions about the role of GMOs in our future. Stay tuned for more provocative discussions, and let's explore these critical issues together. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me and helps keep this channel going. Thank you.